If you've been searching for Coolizi Ervaringen review in 2026, you've probably seen some big claims online. But is Coolizi actually legit, or is it just another product with clever marketing? I spent some time looking into it, and here's what I found. First, let's talk about what Coolizi promises. The company claims it can deliver noticeable benefits with regular use. On paper, the features sound impressive. But as always, the real question is whether those promises match real customer experiences. After reading through user reviews, I noticed something interesting. Many buyers say they were satisfied with their purchase. They mentioned that the product arrived on time and was easy to use. Some also reported positive results after using it consistently. That's definitely a good sign. However, not every review was glowing. A few customers said they didn't notice the results they were hoping for. Others felt the product took longer to work than expected. That's fairly common with many products because everyone's experience can be different. One thing I always recommend is checking where you buy it. If you decide to try Coolizi, it's much safer to order from the official website or an authorized seller. That reduces the risk of receiving counterfeit products or dealing with unreliable sellers. So, is Coolizi a scam? Based on the information I found, I wouldn't call it a scam. It appears to be a legitimate product that has worked well for many customers. At the same time, it's important to keep realistic expectations. No product works perfectly for everyone, and results can vary depending on your individual situation. Before buying, take a few minutes to read the latest customer reviews. Look for balanced opinions instead of only the 5-star ratings. That will give you a much clearer picture of what to expect. My overall opinion is that Coolizi looks like a legitimate option if you're interested in what it offers. Just don't expect instant miracles. Give it enough time, follow the instructions carefully, and purchase from a trusted source.